Ka-ching! I just woke up to dozens of new payment notifications in my affiliate account. In total, this adds up to over $500 in daily earnings. How did I pull it off? Did I have to use anything complex like selling products, posting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok? Nope. In fact, I do the complete opposite of what everyone else is doing, and I promise you, you have never seen anything like it before. I avoid the traditional methods for making money online and do things completely differently. I use a simple 5-second AI trick that taps into a $1.29 billion Amazon Prime video streaming loophole, which in turn pays me at least $500 per day in pure profit. To make this work, all I have to do is activate a secret AI loophole on the Amazon Prime servers and watch the commissions roll in. The best part about this is that I can make money on both my computer, smartphone, or tablet. In fact, whenever someone streams their favorite show on Amazon Prime, I get paid. As you saw earlier, these payments rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $500 days with this unique Amazon Prime AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Well, now's your chance to start doing the same with the brand new Legacy. Legacy is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits a $1.9 billion Amazon loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. When the third richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, integrated AI into the Amazon Prime Video platform, he inadvertently left the door wide open. In most cases, AI makes something transformational and revolutionary, but this time round, he left behind something crucial, a gigantic loophole, a gaping hole so powerful it's like an open vault of limitless, free, and laser-targeted traffic waiting to be tapped. And the best part? Jeff and his billionaire Amazon buddies haven't noticed yet. We realized pretty quick that under the right conditions, this loophole could be used to tap into billions of daily Amazon users that are spending thousands of dollars a day on products at Amazon.com and legally skim big commissions into our accounts over and over. All my members that are tapping into this loophole are making at least $293 a day on average, completely passively with this brand new software. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1, click any of the buy buttons on this page to get a copy of Legacy. You'll want to do this now as we'll be closing this down soon to prevent saturation, so be quick. Step 2, activate the AI Amazon Prime Profit technology at the press of a button inside the Legacy app. This is where the magic happens. It taps into the $1.9 billion Amazon loophole, which is allowing us to get paid. Step 3, enjoy the power of automation. We're making hundreds of dollars a day every time we tap into this groundbreaking new Amazon Prime loophole. Once Legacy is activated, the commissions never stop rolling into our accounts. Nobody has ever done anything like this before. If I lost everything and had to start from complete scratch, the first thing I'd do is fire up the Legacy app. Now at this point you've seen all the proof, you know how well Legacy works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $293 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. Minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it, that's a huge commitment to make, and I know it's hard for you to try out new things with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access Legacy, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. But this offer is only available for a limited time. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yep, that's how confident I am that Legacy will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get Legacy while it's still available at the early bird discount price.